Real talk. Have you ever pretended to know a word just to sound smart? Don't worry, I've done it too. If you're nodding right now, this video might just be for you. Hi, I'm Jen. I'm lawyer by profession, chikadora by passion, and a little bit kikay all the time. Welcome to Root and Ripple, our happy little space for both kids and grown-ups who want to make sense of sustainability without the jargons or the overwhelming or boring lectures. If you're a parent, teacher, tita, or just a curious adult, this is your cue to call the kids over because today's video is one you can watch together. By the end of this video, I hope you will feel a bit more sure about what sustainability really means, and maybe even excited to start small with your own ripple of change. Let me introduce you to our stars for today. Mimi the cat, curious and cautious, and Bobby the dog, adventurous and a little bit makulit. They're Earth heroes in training, just like many of us. You will be seeing them a lot here at Root and Ripple in fun stories, missions, and lessons that grow with you and your little ones. Okay? Ready? Let's dive into their very first adventure, the big word.
Step by step, we find our way. Mimi and Bobi lead the day. Friendly footprints light the way. Learn and play, come what may.
In Harmony Valley, every morning brings a new adventure. Mimi the curious cat and Bobby the adventurous dog love to explore the world around them.
Bobby, how do animals know where to drink or eat or sleep?
I guess they just follow nature's rules.
But lately, some parts of Harmony Valley haven't been the same. The water's not as clean, some trees have been cut down, and animals are losing their homes.
That makes me sad. I want the valley to stay beautiful.
That's when Mimi remembered a big word she once saw on a poster near the town park.
Sustainability? What does that really mean?
Sustainability means taking care of our world today so that future generations can enjoy it too. It's about protecting the environment, helping people, and making smart choices that last. When we save water, plant trees, recycle, and share what we have, we are living sustainably.
So it's like leaving the world better than we found it.
Exactly, Bobby. And when we do those small things, we leave behind something special. We call them friendly footprints, signs that we cared enough to protect Harmony Valley and the life on it.
Then let's start today, one friendly footprint at a time.
A sustainable world begins with small acts of care. Every friendly footprint helps make our planet a better place for today and for tomorrow.
Bye!
See you next time!
So, turns out, sustainability isn't just a big word. It's a big idea. One that even kids and titas like me, us, can understand and live out in our own way. Here at Root and Ripple, we believe learning shouldn't be intimidating. That's why every week, we release new videos to help build your sustainability mindset, one small story at a time. We will take turns. One week, it's Mimi and Bobby with a friendly footprints tale for the kids. And the next, a cozy talk with me for the grown-ups. And yes, we've got freebies. You can download our Friendly Footprints teaser booklet for the kids and our beginner's guide, how to talk about sustainability at work or at home, which is perfect for adults who want to start somewhere but don't know how. You will find the links in the description below. If this story made you smile or made you think, I hope you can subscribe to our channel and ripple along with us. Because here at Root and Ripple, we believe that small stories can spark big change. So I hope to see you again next week. Thank you. Bye.